Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are mastering navigation in Autodesk Fusion 360, an essential skill for anyone stepping into the world of 3D design. If you frequently find yourself lost in your workspace or struggling to get the perfect angle on your model, this guide is exactly what you need. Before we dive into the controls, please hit that like button if you appreciate these quick tutorials, and subscribe to the channel for more 3D design tips throughout 2026. Let us jump right in. Navigating the 3D environment in Fusion 360 feels like second nature once you get the hang of these core mouse and keyboard combinations. First, let us cover the orbit function, which is how you rotate around your model to inspect it from every angle. Simply hold the Shift key while clicking and holding your scroll wheel, then move your mouse. It sounds simple, but mastery of the orbit is key to professional modeling. Next is the Pan tool, which allows you to slide your camera view left, right, up, or down without rotating the model. To do this, just click and hold your scroll wheel and drag the mouse across your pad. It's perfect for centering specific areas of your design. Then we have the Zoom function. This is straightforward. Just scroll the wheel up to move closer to your object, or down to zoom out. Now, what happens if you get completely lost in the 3D space? This is where the Fit to Screen tool becomes your best friend. By simply pressing the F key on your keyboard, Fusion 360 will instantly center your entire model in the middle of your active viewport, which is a lifesaver when you are zoomed in too far. Another great feature is the Look At tool. This allows you to snap your camera view perfectly perpendicular to any flat surface, making it much easier to draft sketches or make precise adjustments. To use it, right-click on any face or surface of your model and select Look At from the menu. It's an incredibly powerful way to orient your workspace. Take some time to practice these shortcuts. Once they become muscle memory, your design workflow will speed up significantly. If this video helped you conquer the workspace in Fusion 360, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more updates. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.